Hey guys, surprise! I'm here Tuesday. I know I wasn't gonna be here, but the studio is getting bigger. I think the echo is now gone. I think I've pretty much solved the audio issues. Let me know if that's it. And yeah, the big surprise, guys, is we just released our newest course, which is Zbrush Complete Guide to Zbrush 2022. This is a full-on, like hands-on course. I'm gonna be teaching you all of the tools inside of Zbrush: Dynamesh, CSpheres, retopology, thick skin, subdivision level, C-modeler, layers, morph target, make hard surface stuff, environment stuff, prop stuff. Like, there's so much information. It's over 12 hours of content. I think you guys are really gonna like it. It's structured in chapters. So the first chapter is gonna be a quick introduction, and then the next 9 chapters, it's all about doing like exercises to get you going inside of ZBrush and make sure you understand how all of the tools work. So these are some of the tools, or some of my favorite exercises. We do like a hard surface helmet here. We do an alien. That's the final project. We even do polypaint, rendering, and a little bit of post-production in ZBrush, in Photoshop. I think you guys are gonna like that one. I'm really proud about this one, the cheetah skull, which is the first exercise. So if you're completely new to ZBrush and you've been wanting to join into a course and learn like everything from the very basics, this is it. Remember, we don't do any time lapse. We don't do any like speed running or anything. It's all there. It's all for you to enjoy. We also have this like C-modeler chapter where we go over how to make this nice little axe. We have the pillars and the arch where we go over environment modeling. So yeah, I think you guys are gonna really enjoy it. Remember, every single review you leave us, it's really helpful for us. Sharing, liking, subscribing, all of that stuff is really helpful. Yeah, that's it for me. Enjoy Alejandro's video, which should be up as well for today, for Tuesday, and I'll be back tomorrow on Wednesday for more 3D content. So stay tuned. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. I'll see you back on the next one. Bye bye, guys.